Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2008. Choose the correct option to fill question number 1 and question number 2. I mean, they have given here two blanks. One is this one, another one is question number 2. So that the program below prints an input string in reverse order. This is important. Okay, meaning that they are going to give certain input and our program should have to produce its output in the reverse order. You can observe simply in the screen example. If I am going to give hello as input, I have to get as OLLEH as output. Assume that the input string is terminated by a new line character. Okay, so let us go through the given code. They have given one function called reverse function and they have given the main method. Okay, and they have given the respective options like what we need to fill in the question number 1 and what we need to fill in the question number 2. Guys, according to question, I said already, we have to first simply eliminate the irrelevant options. Guys, if we are going to give input, first we have to take that input, right? We can able to take that input from the user using a method called getChar method, which we can able to read a single character, which you know, right? Once we read data from the user, we have to produce that output, right? While producing that output, compulsory you have to use put char method, meaning that in our options compulsory you have to use getChar as well as putchar. And if you observe in the given code, there is no getChar and putchar, but in the option they have given getChar and putchar combination. So what we can do now, simply we can eliminate options here. Guys, observe here, question number 1 is getChar. They are trying to read the getChar and they are trying to again reading the getChar. So this option is eliminated. Okay, and if you observe this one, they are trying to read the getChar and they are trying to use the getChar only. So this option also eliminated. Simply we'll have left over with two options. One is option D, option C, and another one is option D. Okay, fine. So if you go through the program, so your program is going to start the execution from the main method. You are going to enter certain text like hello, and like here they are just simply printing like enter text, right? And that should be in the new line character. So it's not exactly this one, not exactly hello. Okay, fine. And it is going to call a function called reverse function, right? So now reverse function has written the code like they have taken one integer variable like c variable, and they have certain kind of condition, if followed by condition followed by reverse function, meaning that, so if you observe, if question mark 1, they are going to call reverse method, and once this particular function is successfully done, then it is going to call question mark 2. Guys, what are the meaning of this one? Try to observe, right? So it's a kind of reverse. Reverse means, right, here a function which is calling itself, I can call it as recursive function. So when the condition is satisfied, it is going to simply call the function. When the function is successfully executed, again it is going to call the same function, right? This is the process what is going to happen. So when it is going to be produce the output, when this particular condition is going to be failed. So here in the question mark 1, is it fit for us here? What is the value of c? Do you know any value of c? Do you know the value of c? No, we don't know the value of c, so we can simply directly eliminate this option also. But if you take option D, if you fit here like c equal to getChar of, which is not equal to new line character, meaning that first getChar method is going to be executed, meaning that it is going to take certain character like h that will be stored in c, and this c is going to check with whether it is a new line character or not. No, then it's going to call the reverse function. I hope you know how the recursive function is going to be executed, right? So meaning that for this particular question, option D is the correct answer. Okay, so when you got a question, you have to simply first eliminate the options if it is possible. then only you can go for further process. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.